Hi again. So this is a continuation of the system overview. Oh, Now let's look at the main menu. On the main menu, you have the dashboard. The dashboard is where we are right now. You have the message menu. The messaging menu, you have the compose. From the compose, you get to the page where you create new messages. From this, the draft messages, you get access to messages you saved on the system. From the scheduled messages, you get access to messages you saved to be sent later. That is, you programmed messages, you schedule the message to be sent in later time. From message history, you get a clip of all the message, a list of all the message traffic on your site, both yours and your customers. Inbox, you see your incoming messages, both yours and your customers incoming, all the incoming messages on your site, you access them from here. Okay, the next menu is the contact. The contact, under contact menu, we have address book, more like your personal phone book, marketing list for SMS campaign or marketing purposes, and the blacklist, that is numbers you do not want to receive message from your site. The customer menu, from here you get access to all the components you need to manage your customers, creating customers, managing the accounts, and the rest of them. We'll look at that later. The transaction menu, you get access to list of transactions, approved transactions, and other operations on that transaction. You have the support tickets. From the support ticket, you manage support tickets, respond to tickets, create new tickets for your customers. The extra menu, it gives you other extra tools like the SMS reports, the sender ID, the short codes are like numbers for receiving incoming SMS, the API, that is to see details of Sendroid's own API. Under this extra also, if you have installed other modules, other components, they will all come under this API. So any new module you install, you'll be able to access them from under this extra. Extra. Okay, the tools, under the tools, you have the tool to send email to your customer. You have the backup manager. From here you manage the automatic backups. You have banned IP addresses. From here you can manage IP addresses that are banned or ban new IP addresses from using your services. You have the banned email. From here you can ban email addresses from signing up on your site, and you can manage banned email addresses from here too. You have banned sender IDs. From here you can ban sender IDs that you don't want customers uses on your site. This is pretty cool. Spam control. You wouldn't want people sending fraudulent messages through your site. You have banned countries. So Central Ultimate can actually allow you to ban certain countries from using your services. Okay, you say you don't want certain countries from signing up or messages being sent to certain countries. You ban that from this menu. You have banned words. This is another cool spam control features. So Sendroid Ultimate allows you to ban certain words. Maybe you do not want certain keywords to go through your site. And there was this particular time in Nigeria, for example, that the word MMM is banned by operators. So this is a pretty cool thing for you to do. From here, you can ban any keywords you don't want people sending messages with. Okay, you have the module manager. From the module manager, you're able to install new modules. Help menu, you're able to access help from Ynet Interactive, that is the owners of the software. So clicking on this takes you straight to the help and the support center to get help. That is it about the tool. The next is the settings. Quickly, you have the general settings. You have the notifications, that is where you control the messages that your customer receive from different events, both email and SMS. Currency, Sendroid or support multiple currencies. So from here you create new currencies and manage your exchange rates. SMS rate, from here you set up and the cost for messages. SMS plan, you create plans that your customers can buy. You have SMS voucher, SMS gateway. From here you create new gateways. You have SMS routing rules. You set up how messages are sent, what gateways are used for different messages for different destination. The automation, you find information on what cron jobs you need to set. Payment gateways, you have administrators where you create new admin users. System information, where you find out the status of the system and the access log.